Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Shannon. Today I am part of Crafted by Corie's mini challenge. So today I have 3 really cute, really easy fall DIYs to share with you. And at the end of the video, stay tuned because I'm going to show you a few little spots around the house as I decorate. As you see, I did decorate my fireplace. So that will be in the video, the before and after. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to always, hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up if you guys like this sort of content. So why don't we jump right into the DIYs? And again, stay till the very end and you will see some awesome before and afters for my home. For the first DIY, this house already came, it was from the Dollar Tree back at Christmas. It was red before, so I did paint it white at Christmas. But since it's super dry, I'm just giving it an extra coat of paint just to give it a little bit more full coverage using just some white acrylic paint. So this, of course, is a very quick and easy DIY. I'm just kind of retransforming it from the Christmas to fall using some of these little leaves that are from I think it was like a floral pick from the Dollar Tree, just hot gluing it to the center of the top of the house, just like so. And these raffia came from the Dollarama this year. However, I already had made one using some of the natural color raffia. All you do is just wrap it around your fingers like a figure 8 style, tie it right in the middle, and then all you do is you just cut the loops just to make it look like, or it's fanned out just like so. So I just hot glued it to the center of the green leaves. And you guys know I hauled these pumpkins from Hobby Lobby this year. So I'm just taking one of the mini ones and just hot gluing it to the center. And guys, that is it. Quick and easy little transformation. Perfect for your tiered tray, just like so. For the next DIY, I had this printout. I've used it in a DIY in the past. All you do is just find some images on Google Images and you can print out anything that you want. I don't have a printer, so I just went to Staples, printed it out there, got a color printer or got color paper. I think it was only 25 cents for color, 15 for black and white. Anyway, all I'm going to do is just use my glue stick and glue put some glue at the back of the paper, and using these cutting mats from the Dollar Tree. I have used these in so many DIYs. They just add such a great support to the back of paper. Easy peasy and very easy to cut as well. So now I'm just taking some of these Dollarama, they're plant stakes, so just wooden. You get 10 for $1.50. This is like the cheapest. It's even cheaper than getting them at the Home Depot that I know a lot of my US friends haul, like those paint stir sticks. So I'm just measuring out what I need to basically frame this picture, just using scissors to cut out the size that I need. And now taking some of the Waverly Antique Wax, I'm just going to give each one a coat of wax using some makeup sponges that you could just pick up from the Dollar Tree or Dollarama, anywhere. Don't go crazy spending too much money on these. I actually got these makeup sponges free on a Buy Nothing site on my Facebook group, so even better. And now I'm just going to hot glue all pieces on the cutting mat. I didn't cut out the cutting mat just yet. I left some room on the edges so that way I can hot glue these plant stakes to the frame. And now I'm just going to cut the excess off just around the edges with my scissors. And just taking one of these excess pieces of the plant stakes, I'm just going to use this as a stand for the back of my picture using just some hot glue. Now, remember the cutting mat is plastic, so the hot glue does take a little bit longer to cool off on this, so just be very careful. It is hot glue, but just give it an extra little minute to set in place. Now that it's standing up, I'm just going to make a simple shoelace bow using this buffalo check ribbon from the Dollar Tree and just hot glue it to the corner of this picture. And then I just dovetail the edges of the ribbon just with my scissors, and that is it, guys. How easy is this little DIY? You can put this anywhere. I have this on my front hall table right now, and I think it is so stinking cute. I love this image so much. Now, before we move on, guys, I'm going to show you my next DIY, but remember, this month's challenge is crafted by Corie. She does these every month. The middle of the month, and you have to create at least like 3 to 5 DIYs. This month's theme is fall Halloween, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to leave her link and the playlist link in the description box, so I want you guys to go over and say hi and take a look, and you will be inspired by lots of amazing crafters. So for the third and final DIY, again, you will see me do a little decorate with me at the end of the video, but this one, I'm taking one of these hair buns from the Dollar Tree. This is not my idea. I did find this as an inspiration from one of my Facebook groups that I follow, and what I'm going to do is take some of this gorgeous yarn from the Dollarama, and I'm going to essentially wrap it around this whole entire hair bun. Now, guys, this takes a little while because I had to cut a lot of string, thinking, kind of eyeballing how much I would need. I did cut a little too short, so I did have to add a little bit more throughout. But all I'm doing is threading this all around the hair bun. And it does take a little time, so just be patient. So here it is all done. I absolutely love this sage color. I have a couple pumpkins that I picked up from Walmart last year that are this color as well. So I thought it was perfect combination. Now I just you see, I'm just tucking in the end of the yarn, and that is it, guys. Super cute. Now, I've already had these cinnamon sticks from previous DIYs. I still have another pack, but I have to find this pack of cinnamon sticks. I don't know where I put them. Maybe they're in my Christmas bin. So I'm just putting the cinnamon stick just in the center of the hair bun. Now, I've had these string of like pit berries. I bought these at Joann's Fabric a couple of years ago. I know the Dollarama here has them as well. Sometimes in their craft aisle. So just twisting it around the center of the cinnamon stick. And now I'm going to coil the pit berries because it is wire, so easy to stay. So I'm just using a pencil, wrapping around there, and that is it. So I'm doing it to both sides. And just to add a little bit more embellishment, I've had these wooden maple leaves from the Dollarama. There's 2 different sizes, a small and a medium size. So I'm going to take one of each. I'm going to hot glue the 2 leaves together first, and then I'm just going to hot glue it to the center of the cinnamon stick. Guys, how cute is this? I might have to go pick up a couple more hair buns. Now, I know they had beige buns as well, so that might be better if you are using lighter yarn, so that way it doesn't show through. But yes. So now I'm going to just move on. I'm just basically showing you befores and afters of my home. This is just my kitchen. I absolutely love this tray that I revamped years ago. I use it for my oils and my utensils. So, and then now I am just decorating my mantle, just taking a few things off. I had already put a couple fall things on there, but guys, check out this picture. You guys saw me haul it in my haul just this past Wednesday. I love it. Picked it up from Walmart from the US, $16.97. I love it, love it, love it. Taking this jar, I bought this from IKEA. This goes well every season. It is like a lighter green, clear green. Taking some of these orange eucalyptus leaves, picked those up from the Dollarama. I picked those up last year, so I'm just kind of fluffing them up, putting them in the jar. And I'm just going to take some of these candle holders that I picked up from the Christmas tree shop this year. Guys, my mantle is still a little bare. I don't have a lot of tall things, but I mean, that is one of my goals. But here it is, what you see right now. I absolutely love it. You guys saw that I hauled this pail as well from Dollar General. I love it. Now we're moving on to my living room. This was the summer cushions. Now I've switched it all over to the fall. You guys saw me haul that pumpkin pillow from Target this year for $5, guys. So this is it. What do you guys think? I thank you so much for stopping by. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and go ahead, please subscribe and be part of my YouTube world. Now remember, this is hosted by Crafted by Corie. I'm going to leave her link and the playlist link in the description box. You guys, tell me, what is your favorite out of all of these DIYs? I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, you guys can always follow me on Instagram as well. Shannon's Crafty DIYs. I do post a lot of things there as well. All right, guys, that is it. We'll see you later. Bye.